Hi there. So I'm just going to do a quick video here about these auxiliary lights that I got on the Ninja, and then we're going to do one on the 1090 as well. I've been asked by a couple of people. So these particular lights are from Oxbeam, finest Chinesium. They're actually very good quality. These lights have come a long way. Those lights overall diameter is 3.5 inches. And how I mounted them is, I'm going to try to zoom you guys in here. I got a little piece of metal plate that's offset by about less than half an inch. And then I just basically turned the light at 90 degrees. So what happens is if you have these Kawasaki crash bars, there's an Allen key there. So I took this off. The plate goes between the actual frame and the little crash bung here, and that is it. Okay, electricity wise, the switch to the right is my heated grips. The little green switch is the light switch, and that's just off a accessory relay. So when obviously the ignition is off, which it is right now, as you can see, no lights. The light is off right now. Just going to flick it on. Yes, they are very bright. Early mornings, I typically turn these off, especially if I'm around town and stuff like that. It does blind people quite a bit. But overall, very good spread of light, so I've been quite happy with these. Okay, over to the 1090. So these are co-lights. I'll have links in the description. These are 4 inches overall. I was going to go with smaller co-lights. Again, I'll have that link in there, but those weren't available, so I ended up running with these ones. The nice thing is these are yellow and white, and they are an extremely powerful light. They weren't very expensive. They're very well built, quite large units. As you can see, I ended up having to weld on a bit of extra metal here to carry these. My buddy Steve helped me with that, and then I had the bars powder coated by my buddy Dean. So let's turn these on. Same thing again. You can see, I mean, this is just going to blind you guys. This is going to be completely useless, but the white lights are on right now. And again, these are only going off of ignition. The nice thing is about the coal lights is they come with very nice switch gear. So there's the white light on. You can see it off, on, off. Then we're going to do the yellow light. Again, they're the same color buttons, but I just arranged them here like so. And again, extremely bright. We'll let the camera settle here. So these do a very good job. Again, wired off accessory, so the minute I turn off the ignition in any position, obviously they drop out. So overall, if I had a choice for the Ninja, I just happen to have those aux beams kicking around at the time, so that's went in. And that's basically what's going to stay on it. There's no need to switch lights. I am extremely happy with these ones as well. I thought they might have been a little bit big at first, but when you're riding around with the Cyclops upgraded headlight and these two guys here, there's a nice kind of upside down triangle when you're going down the road, so it really stands out. And I typically run these in the yellow lights rather than the white. So there you go. Hope this helps.